Hi everyone, I'm here to do another unboxing video. So this item is another check off of my luxury wish list. If you hear any noise, my son is right here. So the package came like this. A little thing. And you can see in the box. Ooh. So I actually will get this authenticated after I unbox it. So came in this Gucci box. Gucci dust bag. Alright, and here it is. You guys might already guess what this item is, but ta-da! Oh my gosh. So like I said, I will get this item authenticated, but this is the Gucci Super Mini Marmont. Little heart on the back. GG's. Oh my gosh. So I've never actually seen this in person. Is this supposed to be a snap button? You guys, please tell me. Okay. With the little chains. This little booklet thing. And here's the inside. Comes with the D-ring. The leather tab. Ta-da! I'm so excited. So here it is. I'm gonna send it over to my authenticators and get it authenticated, and I will come back and let you know the results. But here is the chain, and let me do some mod shots for you guys. So here's how it looks. It's like a little clutch. I'm just gonna attach these. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, I hope this can fit on my waist. Let's see. Y'all, this is tight. You guys can see this. I had to attach it on this side just so it can fit my waist. So I need to lose 3 inches off my waist. Pretty much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I love this bag, and I will get it authenticated, and I'll keep you posted, and I'll put all the information in the down bar. I hope it's authentic. It feels pretty good. It smells like leather, so I'm not sure, but like I said, I always get my items authenticated, and yeah, I'll let you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Bye. Hey guys, quick update on my Gucci bag that I just unboxed in this video. I'm just gonna throw this in there. I did get it authenticated, and it is not authentic. Unfortunately, I've already filed a claim on eBay, and I'm just waiting for that to get resolved. But I hope you guys found this video helpful and still enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.